Welcome back. This is the latest update in the Daily Separator. It's version 1.6. And what I'm going to be sharing with you guys is the latest features that I have implemented by request of some of the users on the marketplace. And I think it really does add quite a lot of value to the overall indicator and its ability. So the last time that I shared this information with you guys, I shared that there is the ability for you to actually switch between New York time and standard server broker time. And with that, what I've added was the original high and low of each day. But what I've added now is labeling the highs and the lows, as well as the price associated to each of the highs. But I've also implemented the feature for us to be able to allow the user to specify whether we want to have the high low, the open close, or if you want to see both the high low and open close. So if you choose any of these, you can still separate the highs and lows with a unique color, and the open and closes with a different unique color as well. So that allows you to have custom themes depending on your usage and functionality. Same features as before. You can still go and change the daily separators based on their styles as well. So I'm just going to put that on screen for us so that we can visualize that quickly. And there we go. There we have it. It's very clean, very clear, easy to see exactly where the current day or the previous day's high, open price, and closing price was. There's as well as the low, and the labels really make it easy for us to be able to visualize that. So I hope you guys find this useful, and it will improve your ability to find unique strategies, specifically around the daily highs, lows, opens, and closes. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy it.